Hey kids, let's go through your Russian dance. I hope this is okay and you can see me. So we're going to go through it step by step again. And so we'll do it slowly first and then we'll do it fast, okay? So I'm gonna start with the legs. So the right leg should start in front. And remember your character because it is a character dance. Alright, so let's start with the right leg. It starts with pam 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 pam. Close with the right leg in front. Passe the right leg. Please remember which leg is in front. Left leg da 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 da. Close da 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 da. Passe and 6, 7, 8. So that's the first two. Now we open the right leg. Da 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 da. 3 and 4. Passe the left. Passe the right. Da 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 da. Left da 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 da. Passe 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's go to the next part. We go up, so tendu, brush to the left side, coupe 2, brush to the right side, and 2, soutenu to the left, 6, 7, 8. Now brush to the right, coupe back, brush to the left, coupe back, soutenu to the right, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to ask you to open your arm to the left, facing the left, close 5th, right, close 5th, left, close 5th, right and left. And that's all. Stay here. Now this is where the groupings go. You're going to stay here for 8 counts. I'm going to ask Paige, Pristine, and Alicia to do their part. So you go stay, 2, 3, and 4, and I'm going to ask you to clap and stay 6, 7, and 8. Did you get that? So you're going to go 1 and 2, stay, and 4, clap, stay, 6, 7, close on 8. Okay? Now this is the last part of your dance. We polish 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So da 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 3 and 4. Clap 5, 6, 7, 8. Polish up 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6. So 7, 8. After the padisha, we do your passe. You start with your left leg. Passe 2, passe 2. Soutenu towards the right. 1 and 2. Soutenu towards the left. Make sure your 5th is tight. Okay? So 5th and 6, 7, 8. And I'm gonna do out, kneel down, clap, and out. I'm gonna ask you to flex your foot and 8. So it's just going to be 1 instead of 2. So after the 2 passes, 6, you go out. Passe the left, passe the right. So padisha, padisha, passe, passe, soutenu, soutenu, out, kneel down, and out. So 2 times towards the left. So your last pose is facing the left side. Okay, I hope you got that. Let's do it now with the music. Okay, let's do it with the music. Ready to brush? Fast. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, Body shot. 2, 3, and 4. Pass. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn to the right and left. 5 and 6, 7. Stay. 1, 2, 3. And stand up. Okay. Step to the right and down. Stay. Alright kids, I hope you got that. Again, there is a fast and a slow version for you to follow. Make sure that you practice this every day. It's a really short dance. And I hope you enjoyed, kids. Bye!